Top 10 most expensive yachts in the world. Luxury, power, and pure extravagance. Welcome to the world of billion-dollar floating palaces. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 most expensive yachts in the world. And trust me, these are more than just boats. They're floating cities. Number 5. Topaz. Number 5 is Topaz, now renamed A+, owned by Sheikh Mansour of Abu Dhabi, also the owner of Manchester City. This 483-foot masterpiece was built by Lursen and includes a cinema, 2 helipads, a gym, and a luxurious spa. A perfect blend of relaxation and elite power. Number 4. Azam. In 4th place is the sleek and speedy Azam, owned by the royal family of the UAE. It's the longest private yacht in the world at 590 feet. Equipped with a missile defense system, bulletproof walls, and a staggering top speed of over 30 knots, Azam is as powerful as it is majestic. Number 3. Streets of Monaco. Number 3 isn't just a yacht, it's a floating city. The Streets of Monaco is a concept yacht that recreates the sights of Monaco, including a mini Monte Carlo racetrack, casino, and beach. It's never been built, but with a $1.1 billion price tag, it's designed to be the ultimate billionaire flex. Number 2. Eclipse. At number 2 is Eclipse, the world-famous super yacht owned by Roman Abramovich. This 533-foot masterpiece features 2 helipads, a submarine, and a laser system to block paparazzi. Oh, and let's not forget the bulletproof master suite. With everything on board, Eclipse is basically a floating fortress. Number 1. History Supreme. And finally, at number 1, the mysterious and jaw-dropping History Supreme. Allegedly owned by a Malaysian businessman, this yacht is worth a mind-blowing $4.8 billion. Why? It's made with 100,000 kilograms of solid gold and platinum, features a T-Rex bone statue, and even walls embedded with meteorites. Whether myth or reality, History Supreme takes the crown.